Good morning, students of class 12th. In the previous video, we have completed our topic that what do you mean by national income and what are its related aggregates. And today in this video, we will start your next chapter, methods of calculating national income. Before going to the methods that how do we calculate national income, first of all let us learn about the aggregates that we have studied in the previous chapter, because they are of great importance for this chapter. Okay, so for national income and related aggregates, we have studied that there were some factors which were broad, some aggregates which were broad and some aggregates which were narrow. Okay, so what were the broad ones and what were the narrow ones? The first one was gross and the narrow one for that was net. The other one was national production and the narrow one for that was domestic production. Third was market price. The narrow one for market price was factor cost. The fourth one was value of output and other was value added. Okay, so if we wanted to go from gross to net, the difference between both of them was depreciation. The difference was called depreciation. Now, if you want to go from gross to net, then you will have to subtract depreciation. And if you want to go from net to gross, then you will have to add depreciation. Here minus depreciation. Okay, if you are going from a broad context to a narrow context, then you will have to subtract it, and if you want to go from a narrow context to a broad context, then you will have to add it. Next is national production and the other one is domestic production. In national production, if you want to go from national production to domestic production, then the difference is called net factor income from abroad, that is NFIA. So, if you want to go from national production to domestic production, then you will have to subtract NFIA, and if you want to go from domestic production to national production, then you will have to add NFIA. The other one is net indirect taxes. Okay, if you want to go from market price to factor cost, then you will have to subtract net indirect taxes, and if you want to go from factor cost to market price, then you will have to add net indirect taxes. Then the other one is value of output. The difference is intermediate consumption. If you want to go from value of output to value added, then you will have to subtract intermediate consumption, and if you want to go from here to here, then you will have to add intermediate consumption. Okay, now there is the first method for calculation of national income that we are going to study today, and that is value added method. Or it is also called as product method. Now, how do we calculate national income by using product method? Simple. we will write that GVA at MP equals to value of output minus intermediate consumption. Okay, now what is value of output and what is intermediate consumption? See, value of output is equals to sales plus change in stock. It is sales plus change in stock and it minuses intermediate consumption. Intermediate consumption was the cost of raw material. I have already told you in the previous chapters that intermediate consumption is the cost of raw materials. So, sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption will give you GVA at MP. And you must understand that the value of GDP at MP is equal to GVA at MP, means value added equals to domestic production, because I have told you many number of times that value added means production, and in an economy or in the subject economics we study that production equals to value addition, right? So GDP at MP equals to GVA at MP. Now we need to find out national income, because GDP at MP is not national income. So what is national income? You must remember that the aggregate for calculation of national income is called NNP at FC. Net national production at factor cost is referred to as national income. Okay. So how do we convert GDP at MP to NNP at FC? Now our only work is to convert GDP at MP to NNP at FC, and how do we do that? We do like this: NNP at FC equals to GDP at MP. अब हमें अगर ग्रॉस से नेट की तरफ जाना था तो हमने क्या किया था? डेप्रिसिएशन को करा था माइनस. सो वी विल रिड्यूस डेप्रिसिएशन. For going from DP to NP, we added NFI here, so we will add NFI here. And for going from market price to factor cost, we will subtract net indirect taxes. Okay, so this is how we calculate national income. Our product method or value added method will just give you GVA at MP, or you can say GDP at MP. Now you will have to convert GDP at MP to NNP at FC, and this is how you do it. Okay, so I hope you would have understood that how do we calculate national income from product method. In the next video we will talk about the income method and expenditure method also, and how do we calculate incomes from them. Okay students, till then stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.